Hey guys, and today we're going to do a HTML tutorial part 3. So we're going to go through textual formatting. What is textual formatting? Textual formatting is where the text is assigned and display a different type of text. So for example, italics, bold text, and etc. So this is all the textual formatting tags. So the bold text, strong text, small text, marked text, italics, subtext, and subscript text. So we're going to go through all these tags here in Sublime Text. So here we are on Sublime Text right here. So from last video I said to do a half screen of Sublime Text and a half screen of the Internet Explorer or whatever browser you're using. So that's what I've done right here. I recommend you to do that. So first let's go through bold text. So let's get B tag and put it around like a certain certain text around it. So what I put it around lorem ipsum. So now when I Control S, then refresh it, then lorem ipsum is, so it could be used for like highlighting something or like showing an important text. So we could go for like here as well. So B, then closing tag B, get rid of that, then refresh. Here it is. So that could be useful as well. So we're gonna go through strong text. So this is technically a bold text. So let's go say here, if we type in strong, then input that, Control X, then copy in here, refresh. Yeah, so I mean I don't really see a difference these bold text right here, so I mean you could use either anyway. So they're technically the same thing as bold text. So highlighting something important or like, you know, just pointing something out, like showing it easily. So we could obviously put it here as well. So I put it between the strong text right here. Control S, do that. You can see like a thing, a greater than arrow right here. So I mean if you want to fix this error, just do that, because there's two brackets right there. So now just do that and refresh. So that is strong text. It makes no difference to bold text at all. So let's do the small text. So let's go around here, and if we do small right here, then Control X, do that, and then go here, refresh, and then see right there. So it just makes it smaller right there. That's it, nothing else. Then we got the mark. So what this does is right here, so just mark it here. I think it highlights something. I'm not sure. You could just do that, I guess. Then yeah, refresh. Yeah, so it highlights the text. So that could be useful for like highlighting something or showing something important. So that is technically something to do with the bold text as well. So let's go here as well. Go mark right here, then do that, and there we go. It just highlights the text. The italic text, so that's pretty simple as well. So just type in I, nothing else. It's just I, so it just stands for italics. do that. Right here. Then it should, yeah, right here. And let's do a second example. Italic. Closing brackets. Right here. So that was nice and simple. The subscript text. So all you have to do is just type in sub, then do a closing sub right here. There. Refresh. Then it just sort of like drops down between two text. So I'm not sure what is useful, but why it's useful, but I guess that's there. So let's do another example here. Just go here, sub, then I'll just do it right here as well. So refresh, then again it drops down between two text. Alright, and the last one, the superscript text. So if we do sup, then do it right here as well, then save, refresh, then it's right here. Yeah, so it just goes above between two texts, so it's sort of the opposite of the subscript right here. So let's do another example right here. Sup, and then sup, refresh, no, save, refresh, then it does the same thing. Yeah, right here. So this time is only one because it's on the new line. So that's right there. So let's go on to the questions. So let's go through the questions right here. So number 1, what does the B tag do? Number 2, what does the sub tag do? And number 3, what are the benefits of using these textual formatting tabs? So as from last time, they're going to be in easy, medium and hard. So I'll give you a few minutes. Alright, so hopefully you answered all these questions. So let's go into the answers. So the answers are, the B tag makes the text bold. So hopefully you get that right. Number 2, make the sub tags makes the text smaller and not in the same line as the other text. So it drops down between the two texts. So hopefully you get that right as well. And number 3, the benefits on using these are to make the site look better and outstanding for the audience or user, or they could be useful for other things. For example, highlighting the text could sort of make the text important as well. So yeah, so hopefully you get that correct as well. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more of these courses. Thank you.